Hi guys, good day. Kumusta kayong lahat? Sana okay lang kayong lahat, okay? So, actually guys, I'm so thankful at sa ngayon po dumadami na po yung nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Yes, actually, maraming salamat po mga chinitos sa pag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, okay? So, actually guys, in this video, in this vlog, ang pag-uusapan natin today ay how to create a Facebook page. Yes! By the way, kung ikaw ay bago sa aking YouTube channel, welcome to Team Chinitos! So by the way guys, my name is Jackson. The videos that I've uploaded here in this channel is all about financial and life success stories, and most especially tutorials about how to enhance our YouTube channel. So by the way guys, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to be updated for my latest video. Maraming salamat guys, and let's go! So ngayon guys, tuturuan ko kayo ngayon paano mag-create ng Facebook page. So guys, para saan ba ang Facebook page? Actually, kung gusto mong dumami yung mga followers mo, yung gustong sumikat, ganun. So, pwede kang mag-create ng Facebook page. At isa din guys sa purpose ng Facebook page ay para ma-promote yung gusto mong business na gusto mo i-promote. Like for example, businessman ka. So, if you want to create a Facebook page, so, yung mga target market mo, so, pwede mong i-invite sila sa page mo para makita nila yung page, para makita nila yung mga items na bebenta mo. So, kung yung purpose mo naman ay for your personal vlog only, so, pwede rin. So, kung gusto mong to influence others and to motivate other people and to share your talents, your skills, so you can create a Facebook page, and let's start. Okay guys, so ang first step is kailangan meron tayong Facebook account. So i-open natin ang ating Facebook. Ayan, okay. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, so ito yung pinaka homepage ng Facebook ko. So meron kayong makikita dito sa gilid sa right. Ito guys yung tatlong lines. So click nyo po yan, and then may mabasa tayo dito na page. Ayan, okay. Actually, I already had a page. So itong Uncle Jackson Vlog, this is my page. So right now we will create a new one, and so click the create. Okay, so get started. So dito guys, i-follow nyo lang po yung instructions ng Facebook, kung anong instruction. Okay, so like so for example, name of your page. So like so for example, Jackson Blog. Okay, Jackson Blog. I want to use this page to sell products or provide services. So kung yung page mo guys is for business, so you can click this one, okay, or you want to provide a services, so pwede yan, okay. So yan, at next, okay, so choose category for your page. This helps people find your page. You can add more categories later. Actually guys, so select a category. So kung yan ba ay for personal blog, so pwede yan. And then next, okay, so add your website. Send people to your website from your page. So since wala pang website, so i-skip muna natin yan. Okay, so you may add here your website if you have. So since sa akin wala pa, so skip muna natin yan. And then add a profile picture. So here guys, so pwede kayong mag-add ng profile picture para sa page ninyo. So like so for example, so masyado siyang malaki like that. Okay, So, then, save nyo lang. This is just as an example. Okay. Okay, then, next, then, you may add a cover photo. So, since wala pa akong cover photo, so, skip muna natin. Then, after this one, guys, actually, so, click the visit page. So, pag na-click natin yung visit page, so, na-create na natin yung page natin. Okay? So, ayan. Click the visit page. So guys, ito na yung pinaka-page natin. Okay, so yung ginawa nating page, Jackson Vlog. So you can actually post here. So yun, pwede ka na mag-start mag-post ng gusto mong i-post o gusto mong i-promote na products or services. So pwede ka mag-post na dyan. Kung gusto mong mag-boost agad yung page mo, yung Facebook page mo, so you can promote your Facebook page here. So meron naman yan, promote your page for 260 pesos. Yes, pero if you want na walang bayad, so just invite your friends here. So select invite. Yan, so just select invite and then dadalhin ka dito, guys. So click mo lang sila para i-follow nila yung page mo. Okay? So ayan. Okay guys, so actually guys, so paano ka makontak ng mga followers mo or ng mga customers mo? So, click lang natin tong add a button. Okay? And then here, so, get in touch. So, if you want yung mga customers mo is, okay, so for example, may mga inquiries yung mga customers natin. O yung mga fans mo ay gusto ko makareceive ng mga comments, ganun. Actually, pwede mong gawing option yung send a message. Ayan. So, send a message. Make it easy for people to get in touch with you by sending a message on Facebook. Create. Ayan. So, kung mapansin nyo guys, nag-change na yung ating button to send a message. Then guys, so kung gusto mong mag-add ng cover photo, so click lang natin yung add cover photo. Ayan. Like so for example guys, ganyan. Okay? So, save lang natin. So, kailangan gandahan mo yung cover photo ng page mo para mas attracted sa mga followers mo, sa ibang tao. And then guys, so you may add also your contact info. Actually, pwede ka mag-edit to guys. So yung website, you can add your phone number and you may add your description. Yan, select list your services. Then after ma-edit nyo po yan, so save nyo lang. Okay? So yun guys, so ganun lang kabilis mag-create ng Facebook page. Okay? So yun guys, paano natin puntahan yung page na na-create natin? So actually, visitahin natin yung page na na-create natin. So click nyo lang po yan. Then, so ito na yun guys, Jackson Vlog. So click nyo lang po yan. So yan. So ito na yung page. Ito na yung page na na-create natin. Okay? So guys, maraming salamat. God bless. Actually, watch nito, ganun lang kabilis at ganun lang kadali mag-create ng Facebook page. So, good luck sa page mo, i-promote mo yan para marami kang ma-inspire o para marami kang ma-reach ng mga target market na gusto mong i-reach. Okay? So, and guys, so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and for more tutorials. And maraming salamat and see you in my next video.